Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new video. So today we're just doing a vlog. We're going to a car show, cars and coffee thing. Taking a DSM. This thing obviously needs a little bit of work still, but basically it's the shop that I used to share with this one dude. He's having it now, so we're gonna go over there, say what's up, and hopefully it is what it is. The Eclipse is absolutely filthy. Gonna have to I don't know, probably I was gonna go to the car wash, but I think I'm just gonna quick detail it when I get there, because hey, it is what it is. So I'm about to move these cars around, get the DJI out of the way, push this out of the garage because it's pretty early in the morning. At least push it down the street, well, down the driveway a little bit. Start it up, don't wake my wife up. Let's do this. I also got to replace the radiator cap on the Eclipse. I really hope that it's the cap that's messed up and it's not the head gasket pressurizing the system, pushing coolant out through the overflow tank. Basically, it's just dripping out. Fingers crossed. Yeah, that's it. This thing is a little crusty, does leak very minor, so fingers crossed. I got a new replacement one from VMS, so let's go pop that in. And this old girl's drinking some bottled water today. Hopefully that'll fit. Well, it's much more snug than it was before, I'll tell you that much.
Alright, because there's a spot next to you right here in front of the shop.
Well, hold it for me.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Alright, see ya.
Alright. One minute head gasket repair. Let's roll out. Good thing is it's literally a minute from my house, so I think we'll be okay. I usually let this thing warm up a little bit, but I'm already running late, so it is what it is. Woo. Oh, this thing's clean as hell. Sheesh. From the shop.
Yeah, look.
Whew. Fuck, I'm gonna toss this in the car.
Is that your seat right there? Yeah.
Sir. Fucking OEM and shit, too.
Sure, but there's something I might fit it to.
What's up with these bad boys?
Well, they're both speed, aren't they?
They should, yeah. That Mustang sounds good as fuck.
There's a clean ass white Cadillac over there.
Cadillac? What kind? That's sort. Oh. If you would have said Escalade, I would have known what you're talking about. Oh, look at that new Subi. You want, yeah.
I make like 60 wheels.
Yep. I'm like, you're a fucking moron. That shit was so clean.
Oh, I like that. Look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Supercharger. The RX-7 is pretty sweet. Dude, I like that RX-7. Yeah, it's some trash stuff.
You got the Morimoto headlights or whatever they are.
Oh yeah. It looks good though. You can't even tow with that thing though, huh? That event is over. Well, it's not over, but we're heading out of there. It was a pretty small event, so we're just gonna head down to a different event. I believe this one's at a Porsche dealership. It's a lot more room and there's a lot more people there, so hopefully we'll see some more cool cars. Alright, so here we are. This is Yuri's S2000. This MR2 is fucking sweet. I love this thing. It ain't right. It's sweet. Whew. Fox body's pretty fucking nice too. RS, which is coolish. I did see a Dodge Stealth. Ooh, FDRX7. Phew. Clean-ish. Evo 4. That's freaking sweet. Japanese import, right-hand drive. Clean. But obviously been resprayed. Paint's not laid out 100% good on it, but it looks very, very good overall. Man, I gotta give me a muscle car. This thing's freaking sweet. I think this was at the other event I was just at. Wish it was a little cleaner, but it's still a very good, cool car. I love this body too. sick. Check out this Volvo. That is sick. Looks like it's running full on Corvette suspension. Check this thing out. Clean as hell.